We're heading into a new financial year, and this is a really exciting time for businesses. It's the time when you should be looking at what your strategy is for the next 12 months, and part of that is setting a financial strategy. The problem for most business owners is your point of reference tends to be what you did last year. So you look at last year and you say, well, I want 5% increase on that or 10% increase on that. And that is a bit of an issue because it doesn't really look at what the potential of your business is. This is such an issue for so many business owners, and we believe so passionately about getting this financial strategy right that we've designed an intensive program which is specifically for business owners and for their key financial people within the business. I'll be taking you through a strategy to really look at what your business has done in the past, analyze it, work out what is actually possible. Perhaps you're aiming too low and perhaps your business could achieve so much more. But what's the impact of doing that? What sort of funding is it going to require? What sort of expenses are going to change within the business? And how do you manage that throughout the next 12 months? This is a really important part of planning and really taking your business to the next level. I would love to work with you because this workshop is going to give you that certainty that you need for the next 12 months. You're not going to leave it to chance. Your business success will be designed for you so that you can actually follow that map and achieve far more than you possibly have ever thought your business could do.